Traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar. I'm going to go out to a weekly time frame because I think this is important. This is traded into these lows over here. It's taken out any sell side liquidity sitting under here prior to this expansion to the upside, so it's traded right down into it. I would expect some kind of reaction off this level. So that's the weekly time frame. If we go down to the daily, yeah, I mean, you can see what I'm talking about. So this level here, it's a big support zone. And at the moment, it's just traded into it. I'll be interested to see how this shapes up into the New York session tonight. So, I mean, look, what I'm seeing here, we've got swing high, swing low, swing high, trading down into support, and then I would expect some kind of pullback and then possibly continuation. Now, have a look at this candle, right, 4-hour time frame. We've got this bearish imbalance that is still unresolved, right? That's a target for this to trade back into, looking to rebalance and then come back down, possibly into these levels down in here. So I'd be looking for a sell, grab my fib, swing high, swing low. This price range from the high to the low is the current, it's current range, and at the moment this is overextended. I don't want to be selling into that, so my thing would be a pullback into the 50 to 61.8, and that coincides beautifully with this 4-hour. That's not an order block. Sorry about that, guys. That's an imbalance. I'll just rename that. 4-hour imbalance, right? So I'm thinking, a touch up in here and an opportunity to short. If it rotates into the New York Open and trades back up into here, look for price to give you a reason to get involved. So I would say stop loss above the imbalance, something like that, and a pullback into here. But you don't want to. I mean, look, you could speculate if you're not going to be in front of the chart, and that could be a play. Understand the risk and, be careful with your position size. I would be inclined to watch it, 15-minute chart, and I've got this marked up. That's my roadmap. I want the pullback into this level. So you want to keep an eye on price action and just see if we get a bit of a range through here, and then I'd be looking for this kind of a play to occur, right? And so, we trade up, then look for the same thing around here, and then I'd be looking for a break of market structure if we get this price action playing out favorably, and then that would be a sell, but only if it pulls back into my fib zone, into equilibrium, and only if this plays out. So we see it range and then a bit of volatility and then the break to the downside. I mean, we could get that today. It could happen tomorrow. That's my take on the euro dollar at the moment. I'd be interested in getting involved up in there if we get a pullback. So yeah, I mean, that pretty well sums it up. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely leave a comment. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.